Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, guys. So as you know, we're going to start with the German 30. So today we even add France 40 on our list. You see, we even add in France 40 on our list. Why? Because it's something that we also trade. So last week we also had something like this. We also had a position around here, and now we eating. Everyone was happy in the group now. So I see that the market is pushing higher. I think maybe the market can reach even this level at the moment. But since we're adding so many things now, I just have to be quick because these are just daily updates. The video should not it's not supposed to be like very long. What you can do is, guys, please support the channel. I try to add so many things. We try to do so many things every day for you guys, but just like, subscribe. You don't lose anything. You don't lose a cent, anything. You just subscribe. Then we just grow the channel so that we can able to reach other people out there, you see. And I'm also doing this for you guys. So yeah. So let's see what really happens here. The first thing that I've taught you is, when you see the market like this, firstly you have to identify the trend. What's going on here? The market is going up, which means we only supposed to buy. You see, we only buy when the market is going up. You see, why? Because the market is going up, so we have to draw our support like this. This is not really important. So when we draw our support like this, we see, okay, the market has been like respecting this zone for several times. It came here, again here. So it gave us a clue that, okay, I'm always respecting that area. But remember, this is a real market. The market won't just be perfect every day. So sometimes we will see something like this, which on my side, I will just say that was just a fake breakout, because there was economic news. So the market was just tricking us here. But if maybe we check to our left, it seems like there is an area which match that. We can say, okay, maybe that it's also a support, you see. But the bigger picture is, we are still on a bullish momentum, you see. We are still on a bullish momentum at the moment. So it means at the moment, if you missed this trade, you just have to wait for the market. You just have to wait for the market maybe to go a little bit lower. Then you can say, okay, now maybe it's time for me. At the moment, we can say maybe the market will reach this area. You see, the market is respecting this area. Maybe the market will reach this area and push up again. But remember, actually, this is not like really strong. The market can still break this. Why? Because we are on an uptrend. The market is going up, so it's not going to respect that much. But we are in a very nice profit, guys. So let's check the other one. I think after this, I have to show you my new pricing on when you join the VIP group now. You even get the system. Now it's like one thing, because I don't want to sell like different things at the same time. So if it's one pack, when you buy the VIP, you also get the system. That way it's much better. It's simple, it's straightforward. So it's going to be like $100. I think I will just show it here so that you can see whatever that it's included in there. It's $100, guys. We're done playing games. I think it's enough, guys. The price was $15 for everyone to join, you see. So, but since we put a lot of work in this, I'm not forced to keep the price on $15. This value that we share here, that we share on the VIP group, is bigger. It's more than even $100. So it's supposed to correspond with my work, you see, not $15. $15 was the people just to see what is really happening in the group. Then there are the lucky ones. If you join, then you were lucky. So here it's France 40. So what do we see here on France 40? So France 40, it's quite similar to UK 100 and German 30, even if the move is not really the same, but there is a lot of correlation. So what do we see here? we see that actually here this one was even perfect. We see that the market is really pushing up, the trend is pushing up, so we just wait for the market to reach the support before we can say we can go up. You see, some people, they don't really trade Frankfurt, UK 100, whatever. They think maybe, no, I'm used to trading NASDAQ 100, I'm used to trading this and that. Yeah, you're right, you used to trade that, but it's good to explore things. There's no different. There is no different. And even the value of this one's France 40 UK 100, the value is a bit lower than the what you see on NASDAQ 100. So just try to learn things. Don't just jump on them, but just try to learn these things. You see. So what do we see? We had a position on Friday around here, and now already we are eating. I think I closed my position around this level, but the position was, everything was quite simple. Everything was quite simple. The thing is, the only secret here that we did, it was withdrawn this. We saw that, okay, this is an uptrend, and we waited for the market to reach that area again, and we entered that, and with a buy pending order a little bit higher. Then when the market pushes back up, it found that our order was already there, so we just killed it. Simple as that. We don't need some like you don't need some crazy knowledge to make it in. You just have to have a strategy that you will follow, and make sure that the strategy that you're using, it will correspond with your planning, like your trading plan. If you place your order here, you know, okay, I can just lose 2% or 1% here, then you make 4%, stuff like that. This should correspond. There's no confusion on the strategy. Everything's quite simple, you see. So even if you change the time frame, the strategy will still be the same, you see. So yeah, that's what we did. So from now on, we're going to add France 40 on our daily analysis, guys. So once I add these things, I also want you to add, if you are not subscribed, or share with your friends, guys. Share the channel with your friends. Let them know, that there's some good information on the internet that they can get like every day, you see. So they don't have to pay me to just check my daily analysis. Watch, then let's go to the channel. One way or another, guys, we just helping each other. So here we are on NASDAQ. This is 4-hour time frame, guys. So NASDAQ really pushed up, really pushed up. So what do we see here? We see that we have a resistance, even though we see that the market is now trying to break this area. But we're not going to jump on that unless we can jump on that. Let me just go to a bit smaller time frame. I can jump on that only, let me show you something. Only, okay, yeah, only when I see a very nice retest, then I can say, you know what, now it's time to push up again. But I'm still bullish on NASDAQ. So maybe now you understand when I say I only buy NASDAQ. If I go back maybe on a 4-hour time frame, you will see that the market has been like really like bullish. Look, just look at this. Just look at this. The market has been like bullish. It's been like on uptrend for some time, you see. So it means even if maybe I bought here, the market go against me, I was still going to come back and get some nice profit. But just imagine, when if you're sold anyway, it doesn't matter where, then, and just hold, maybe they say let's hold for 2 days or 3, you're going to lose. That's why that's why I say I only buy NASDAQ, you see. So at the moment, NASDAQ has to create those breakouts. We will wait for the market to create a breakout here, a retest, then we can say we're now pushing up. Or even if maybe it doesn't create a retest, we can wait for a candlestick, uh, to close. That when the other one opens here with a bullish momentum, we can then buy from there. But the only thing is, when you buy around this zone, there's possibility that the market can reject before it can push up again, you see. But that's why it's always necessary, or the compulsory actually, to for us to wait for a retest before we can buy, you see. So at the moment, I don't see any opportunity, but there is nice opportunity because we are on resistant. So it means the market might turn lower, or maybe we can see a retest, then we can say we can buy. So it means we just need to check this area at the moment. After an hour, we should check that and see if maybe there's something happened. And still remember that, okay, it's Monday. We don't have to just jump on everything just because in the name of trading. So we have to follow the rules, guys. We have to follow the rules. So what do we see here? I'm trying to make this video very fast. I hope maybe you can see that I'm very fast here. So I preached about this like several times. I don't think maybe if you watched my previous video, I don't think maybe you have any loss from this. Why? Because I have drawn this for you. I have explained that the market is just consolidating, or it's just going up and down here. It means if 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 you just buy from here, this area, you were not going to lose. Or even if, let's say, around this zone here, if you sold around this area, you were going to get some nice profits, even if it's not like that big, because the market will just come back quicker. But this is for our time frame. If I go to a bit smaller time frame, you will see that those candlesticks, they are very big. So it means you were going to make enough cash. I think even last week we had some buy pending order around this zone. So now the market is in our favor. It means we are also winning, even if I'm already out on that. I think I closed when the market was pushing higher, when it was here, before it can push lower again. So it means we are eating. Last week has been like a very nice week for us. So what do we think might happen? So at the moment, we'll be focusing here on these areas, on this zone. But if these zones are broken, it means we have to know what might happen. If this area is broken, we'll be looking to scale up. Maybe the market will be pushing up again. If the market comes here and respect this area, we'll be still expecting the same moves until this support is broken, and we'll see the market is now going lower. Maybe the market will reach our support area, which maybe I think at the moment will be like 35,100. Or if that doesn't happen, maybe the market will keep pushing up, or maybe the market will just keep consolidating as before, you see. So yeah, I don't think maybe there's much, because I hope now you understand my style of trading. Guys, if you want to get some mid-day analysis, check my description. You will find my Telegram. Check there. During the day, I also send some updates about the market. It's a short video about some analysis. Then I think that can also help, because I don't send that on YouTube, you see. So let's go to what? Gold. It's gold. Hey, we still have so many things, Mus. We still have so many things. So guys, I deserve something here. I think I deserve something. I don't know, but just like just share the channel with your friends. You can share on your Facebook, on your Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever, so that people, they can find this group, guys, and we can try to help them. So here it's gold, guys. We can see that gold is still on uptrend, and we also had some resistance here. So since the market is above the resistance, which it's not like we have forgot about this support here, the market is still respecting this support. This is the inner trend line, whatever. Maybe we might draw something like this, and the market is broken out of that. So it means the market can still create some moves like this and reach this level before it pushes up. When you see the market doing that, don't panic and say now the market is selling stuff like that. No, the market is still above our support, which means there's high possibility that the market can still respect that area. But at the moment, the market is like a bit overbought. We need to wait for gold to give us a nice structure, that we can follow. But here, obviously, it's on the higher level, so it means we just need to wait for the market to go a little bit lower. Then we can say maybe we can connect whatever that we connect. Then we say, okay, now we see a nice structure. At the moment, nope, the market is just keeping going up. Maybe you can say, you can try to connect that and say, okay, now they're making sense. Maybe the market is creating something like this, like that. But still we need to buy because we are on an uptrend. Remember, you check the trend. If it's it's an uptrend, we only buy. So we're not going to think about selling. So I'm not saying everyone should not sell. You can sell if your strategy allows you to do that. You see, as long as you can able to follow your strategy, then yeah, you're good. So let's check US oil. US oil. Oh, US oil is wow. On US oil, I never saw that because still in Monday. So, and this is 4 hour time frame, guys. So what do we see? We see that okay, the market is on the support. Remember, the market came, respected this area, fake breakout, but respected this area. Now the market is back again. What do you think? We need to have a buy pending order here, then maybe the market will shoot higher. Something like that. I hope you understand what I'm trying to show you here. There is not much that I can tell you on US oil. So what I can tell you is just have your buy pending order ready. Why? Because this is an uptrend. Or if maybe you want to sell, if you want to sell, you can wait for the market to break the support or retest, then we can see the market is going to sell. But at the moment, you can just place your buy pending order here and say, you know what, now it's time for me to buy. So I think I need to send this signal now. So I need to post the video, then I will come back in few seconds. Yeah, okay, I already sent the signal, so I think everything's fine. So you can see that my view here is we need a position here. Then from this, I think the market will shoot up. We will see that tomorrow or on our midday analysis. Then we will see if the market will be in our favor or not. You see. So I think this one is quite clear, straightforward. So we don't need to confuse ourselves. What we see, we think the market will push up. That's what we have to do. If it doesn't do that, our order will be a little bit high. So it means we not maybe the market won't touch that. So or you can just adjust your stop loss and put it there. It will depend on your account size, you see. So you don't have to risk much. Even the stop your lot size also should be like very reasonable. So don't just go there and act like you're a millionaire and you just open so many positions and big ones, then you end up losing. So you think maybe you are not good trader, but actually you are good, but maybe your risking appetite is like very high. We don't have to risk like tomorrow the world it's ending. So there's still so many days that we're still going to trade. So the market is not closing. So what do we see on Euro USD? This is the last one. We see that okay, we have a very nice uptrend, even if it's very steep, but the market has been respecting that. So, and lucky enough is the market is like coming back to our support. You see, and actually we are on a support. Actually, we need to buy this. Actually, we just need to buy this. You see, so I'm not going to post this one, so I'll just send the signal in the group so that we don't make this video very long. Please guys, so don't forget to smash subscribe button. So what do we see? We see that okay, the market is back on our support. So it means we need to have another maybe buy pending order around here. When the market is coming back, which is where we're going to buy. So your stop loss should be here. If the market breaks that retest, it means the market will be going lower. So it means you will be out. Don't fight the market. If you lost once, it means maybe you were wrong. You don't have to go back. It's not like you are stupid, you are wrong. Just tell yourself that another question that I have is, guys, while we do the daily analysis and stuff like that, and while you're watching the daily analysis, you doing the analysis of the market, the charts, whatever, but do you really do your own analysis? Like, do you do the analysis for yourself? Maybe not for the market. I mean, do you analyze yourself? Do you see what's wrong with you? Maybe do you check that maybe short-term per grade, something like that? If you don't do that, guys, start doing that. Turn off the chart and check what's wrong with you, because there's no one who will know your ups and downs. You know your downs, you know your weaknesses. So you should be the one to identify those things and write them down and start to work from those things. Because maybe if you start to identify and analyze yourself, you will see your weaknesses. You will see that, okay, actually I'm short-tempered, so it means I need to do something with that. Only 5 days, guys. You can start from today, it's Monday, and say, okay, now I'm working on my lot size and the stop loss. I'm sticking to them. If maybe you used to use a bigger lot size and the market is trying to go against you, you try to open so many positions, try to change from that. And you know what? Stick to one lot size for maybe a month or two. Then when you see you improve from that and you don't even panic because the stop loss, I mean the lot size is very small, you can increase that smaller and use 0.02 or maybe 0.03 and work with that. Master your stop loss. If you're still struggling with that, try to improve from that. Try, that is your issue, it's not the strategy. Try to analyze yourself. Try to put so much work into yourself, not only on the charts, because to master the strategy is quite easy, but to master you, because you have emotions and stuff like that, so it's where things start to get difficult, you see. So thank you guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to talk to me, check my description. You will find some nice information in there. You can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me, then we can really talk. If you need some any help, you can also comment on the comments below, so that maybe I can see what you're struggling with. Thanks, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bow.